Okay, so I wanted to show you what the Thrive butter powder looks like. When you open it, it's just this super fine powder, almost like flour. I took a half of a cup, mixed it with 1 tablespoon of butter, and this is the texture you get. It legit is just the texture of regular butter, which is amazing. I've never used this before. So I wanted to show you how you could just spread it on toast, just like normal, and I can see how people would make cookies. I'm gonna try that next, but it has the texture, smell, taste of regular all-fat butter. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I wanted to also show you Thrive Honey that's on sale this month. All it is it comes as crystals. Looks like that, which I've put in a lot of different recipes just in the crystal form. But if you add some water and then you microwave it, it turns into just delicious honey. So I'm gonna mix this honey with our butter and make some delicious honey butter. How fun would this be to have in your food storage for any time you needed a nice, delicious honey butter to put on some homemade bread? I'll mix it on up and show you once I get it all together. Okay, so we're gonna try out making some homemade chocolate chip peanut butter cookies with the Thrive butter. So you can see I have it in here with the sugar. I wanna show you how it mixes up just like regular butter and creams with the sugar, just like regular butter. Okay, so here's the cookie dough we made with the Thrive Life butter. It's a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie recipe. I just made up the butter beforehand and then used my regular peanut butter chocolate chip cookie recipe, and it turned out perfect. I didn't have to substitute anything. It was just exactly the way I've always made this recipe. So we'll bake them up and see how they turn out.